Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure engagement with Intercom, full guide step by step clearly. To secure engagement with Intercom, begin by signing into your Intercom account. Navigate to the Messages section on the left sidebar. Choose Click to Message to engage users directly through chat. Customize your message to make it relevant to your audience. Select the audience segment you want to target for a personalized approach. Set the triggers for when the message should appear, such as after a specific user action. Next, implement a proactive message strategy by initiating conversations with users. Design a series of engaging messages that guide users through their journey. Monitor real-time interactions to understand user behavior. Utilize Intercom's bots to provide instant responses to common queries. Make sure to set up a seamless handoff from bots to human agents for complex issues. Integrate Intercom with your existing tools for streamlined communication. Analyze user feedback using Intercom's reporting features to gauge effectiveness. Adjust your strategies based on insights gathered from analytics. Continuously test new messaging strategies to improve engagement over time. Engage with users through targeted campaigns to maintain interest. Finally, gather and implement ongoing feedback from your team to refine your approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.